How to fix Snapchat login problem. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how you can fix Snapchat login error. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So basically here what you need to do here, first of all, you have to go to your Play Store, or if you are using iOS, go to App Store and then search for Snapchat. Okay, so after searching for Snapchat, here you will find one option, update. So if you haven't updated your Snapchat account, Snapchat app, make sure to update your Snapchat, as I have already updated and I was facing difficult to log in with my Snapchat account. So now it has been fixed after doing this tutorial. So guys, here the next thing what you have to do, if your Snapchat is not fixed, you have to go to settings. After going to settings, here you have to scroll down and go to apps management or install apps, and then this type of interface will be pop up. Go to the app manager section. So guys, here you have to search for Snapchat. Let me just search for Snapchat by searching. It's here. Just click here, and then here you will find one option, force stop. Simply need to click on force stop, and then you have to stop the force. Okay, after clicking to stop force stop, you have to click on storage usage. Simply click on storage usage, and then here you have to click on clear data. Okay, you have to clear the data and then click on permission option. Simply tap on permission, and then here you have to allow each and every permission. After doing this, just go back and check whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if it is not solved, then what you need to do, you have to check your Wi-Fi connection. If it is connected, then okay, but if it is not connected, just off your Wi-Fi and click on aeroplane mode once. Okay, just click on aeroplane mode once. After this you have to just wait for 10 seconds like that, and then you have to off this. Okay, you have to off this and click on Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi, and if you're not using, then it's okay. So here, after doing this, you have to switch off your phone and then switch on it. The problem will absolutely solve. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon on the next video.